Jeez, what the hell? Appreciate it. Offer you a baby hand high five. Don't run away because the baby hands are creepy, but
Mine, I wanted to learn Godot. So I went for the Godot. Oh yeah, Godot. Godot.
that is probably the meanest thing anybody's ever done to me. Ah, I'm glad that's over. Holy shit. Oh no, it's not doing it. Still happened with music playing behind it, and the chat bubble is going to Oh, you found it? Oh, God damn. You got me. You got me. I knew I should have hovered. Would it even give me... Yeah. You got me. Okay. Congratulations. Now. And there is never enough shilling for Osmi. Command. That one works. I'm gonna mark this so that I can clip it a little bit later. What? Why are you giving me a big ass no? I put a marker there. That would be so funny. Like, get something with some like frightening animations on it. Yeah. Whoa. Shit, look at this. Oh god, clipping. Oh. Yeah, I Oh, who are we gonna raid now? I'm watching you, Faffin. And so, since it doesn't have an info manual, one of the members of my stream team, and I'm looking to the camera like all into it right now, and I still have the time for fun. So I'm working on something. One of the members of my stream team, Maddie Two Shoes, and for those of you who don't know, I'm on the Claw. Yes, Copilot. You know what? Who am I to argue? If e bits equals 69. It even says nice right off the bat. The Copilot puts it in nice. Yeah. Copilot is 12 years old. I'm ready for you. Look, Fly. Look. It's a blue light. You're supposed to love these. Now let's see what happens when I add this. Hello, everybody. Geodude, congratulations on being first. Good for you. Good for you. I really appreciate you being here. So, I am doing something a little bit new tonight. And we are streaming on both Twitch and the Tube for you, just to see if anybody views. That's why I don't have my normal music playing, because Twitch would swat me right down, or not Twitch, YouTube would swat me right down immediately if I did that. So, instead, because part of the terms of service are that I can't show YouTube chat, anybody watching on YouTube, I will see your message. I will respond to you as much as I can without, you know, Papa Bezos coming down on me. Let's see, where was the thing I was looking for here? Do a little edit if I can. Is this gonna... There is no Twitch. I'm going to turn off that pretzel thing too. There. Looks pretty close to the Twitch color, right? Gonna make me do all the stuff, isn't it? There we go. I think we're updated. So, Geodude, how you doing tonight? Is it a fun Friday for you? Alright, so what I was doing last night, or actually yesterday, because I didn't do anything last night, did I? I'm playing with my robot here. Alright, let's see. 3D world, and I changed it so we've got the main scene. Okay. On new sub and on gift sub. On new sub, on ready bar okay, we're doing this. We're gonna preload the robot scene in 3D world. Let's just see if I run. There we go. Let's go to main scene again. On new sub. AD bubble text. But I can't bring that in? Our instantiated robot equals robot scene instantiate. What's going on now? The music stopped? What in the hell? Okay, we're going to now make it so our bubble text is invisible. Save that. Let's go back to 3D. Where are you at? Now to the script. Add that child. Robot dot. Instantiate robot. Var. Okay, so got that. What I also want to do here is on the main scene. It's just going to work. Find a quick little window here. In that window, we're going to add a button. So we're going to take that button. Hey, Evan of Dem Keys.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. If I remember, you were streaming insert last activity here, right? How did insert last activity here go? Anyway, thank you so much for the raid. Insert rating streamer's name here.
Hey, thank you for the raid. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate you being here, even if my bot is gonna be a little shit. Where the hell is my... What were you streaming today? What were you up to? Whoa, learning calculus. That is brave. The word itself scares me. Scene. Ah, here we go. Wait, what in the hell is that collision shape? Oh, that's the, You'll have to forgive my AI bot. She tends to be annoying. That's a nice way to put it. She's... Ah! Whoops, sorry. I didn't mean to gray myself out there. Just like, hey, you know, don't look at me. Don't look at me. I'm shy. I am using a no model, at least on my part. I'm using a subscription from what are they calling? I think Nova Square is the company. Where is all that stuff? Alicia, who programmed you? Oh, she's not listening to me. Great. Alicia, who programmed you? So I'm using this from Nova Square IO. She is a service basically a chatter as a service. Sometimes she's kind of hit or miss sometimes. Most of the time it's pretty entertaining. Some of the times it's really not funny and just gets annoying. Like when she insults a first-time raider popping in. Okay, so this is Node 3D. That is the problem. Let's go back to my script. Yes, she is out in the cloud. Let me pull up one of her tabs here. So yeah, there's a lot of different settings we can have with her. Right now I've got her listening with my stream mic. Sending vocals through this interface here. So I allow microphone through my browser, and she does some text recognition. That's in a whole other window, so I don't want to double up on it. And then we can change up stuff like... Ooh, what's this do? Like, what do we want to refer to her as? What do we want her core personality to be like? We can give her a persona if we wanted. I'm gonna put her on normal talking. And you know, when we save, she updates, and we get different changes. You know, based on what we put in here. She's fun. She has her moments. Some of my viewers really love her, some really hate her, but for the most part, she's tolerated. No. Don't do that. Don't you do that. We're gonna stop here. No, this isn't work. This is fun. I am working on stream effects using a game engine, because why not? I'm just, you know, I'm here for chat. So if I get questions, I am more than happy to talk about things. Probably more than people want me to. Oh, you're still at work, Geodude? I'm sorry. I hope it goes by very, very quickly. Hold on one second. So excited. This is the best feeling ever. Yay! Sorry, I thought somebody was coming into my office because my door opened. It's just my asshole cat. Oh, how did I set that up? It is actually much easier than you might think, but it requires a couple of different plugins that you can get on OBS forums. So let me debug this part really quick, and then we'll get to that. Okay, this is under... Okay, yeah. Yeah, let me know when you're back, and we'll make words that show how to do things. Because I am word good make thing. Obviously. 3D world scene. It's instantiated on that. Let me follow this down, okay? We've got instantiate robot. This robot scene. This is this guy here. So what if we don't instantiate the robot here, but instead I'm afraid to do this, but okay. Oh no, did I? No, I do have the animation still. Ready, playful animation. That should still work correctly. Okay, so. Let's look here. Ready. Let's call this 3D scene. And then var instantiate robot equals note scene robot instantiate. And then Okay, now that should work, I think. We're gonna find out here very quickly, honestly. Where the hell's the window that I... You get a pop-up window. Yeah, no, what? Where? What am I missing? What did I forget? When in doubt, open another Godot. I think I probably should have done it as a viewport, right? That would have made more sense. Thanks, Redstone. How you been? Glad to see you. Okay, so it's showing up there correctly as a window. I've got this. Let's make it transient here. Actually, no, those bricks, I made them. With P. Gorley's help, but I made them. Why isn't my window showing? Is it because... Fuck, I don't know. You know, everything in my game looks bad, so none taken. All right. Where the white? Is there a way? Do I need to have another viewport? It's a sub viewport. So why wouldn't my window be showing up here? Is it because I'm also pulling in 3D things? Node. Oh, damn. Alicia coming in here. Hot. Ooh. Would you like a little bit of cream for that AI burn? Yes, Abhinav, occasionally she takes away from it. All right, so you were asking before about my outline. So let's see if I can pull this off without breaking shit. It's a big if. Yes. Portable. Okay, great. So I've got pretty much everything set up here. All right, so there are a couple things that we have here. What scene do I have in here? I think it's just my blank scene. Yeah, that was my ad countdown. So let's get rid of that. So what I've got is I've got my microphone capture, my camera, video capture device, and then the key here is, oh my God, you're seeing behind the curtain. Pay no attention to the guitars behind the curtain. What? Which part is getting all grayed out on me? What? Yeah, fuck it. Okay, so, I mean, obviously you have to have a green screen or NVIDIA background removal or some kind of background removal. I use a green screen. The other thing I'm going to recommend is StreamUp. So I'm going to open up StreamUp tips. So StreamUp tips, or StreamUp, is an OBS plugin that allows, or it adds in pretty much everything that you're going to need. And sure, there's going to be some things later on, or you might have a couple other plugins that you want to add on. No big deal. But the majority of the stuff that you need for streaming, for doing any kind of effects, you're going to find on StreamUp. Let me clip that so that I can show it to Andy and be like, "Hey, promote me. I'm selling your shit." So you're gonna want to get the OBS Studio plugin. Download it on Ko-fi. It is free on Ko-fi. You can download it. 0 or more. Give some more. What the hell was that? Okay, whatever. Give some more if you can. If not, no big deal. But it gives a bunch of plugins automatically if you follow the directions. So once you have that, you're going to have quite a few other things added in. One of the newer plugins is the stroke source. So this is made by Finite Singularity, and I'm going to remove it here, and we're going to add in a stroke source. Okay, and Abhinav, let me know if you need me to slow down or if I'm going too slow. But we add in a new stroke source, so it's actually a source. But nothing's showing, right? So we can use a source for the stroke. In this case, I'm going to be using my camera. All right. So you can see here, it's using my camera as a source, not showing my camera, but it's showing a stroke around me. Looks really cool. I do an outer stroke. Change it to whatever size you want, whatever works for you. You know, if you want a bigger offset. I think that I have, wait, no, close. Let me just make sure I'm not. Yeah, we'll get to that one later. Oh shit. Are we still going? F in chat if something's broken. But my portable seems to not be playing nice. Captain Coder, welcome, my friend. Hope you are doing well. All right, so maybe we'll get to this in a second. We'll get to it in a second. I think I might be pushing the limits of OBS right now by multi-streaming and having two instances of OBS open. Who knows? StreamUp is like a plugin loader and some other things. So Andy has a lot of StreamUp things available. So if you want to add products that he has on Ko-fi or anything, yeah. He has information on how to get those. Yeah, I use quite a bit of stuff here. You might recognize some of the things that I have. My Twitch disconnect. Ooh, I need the James Bond meme. That's relatively new. And some other things that I have hooked in here. It's made by a couple people. And all the plugins are made by a lot of people. The two that come to mind are Finite Singularity and Exceldro, which, you know, that plugin that you really like, Exceldro made that. Yeah. To a point. Alright, so now that we got that, let me go back and we can go back to our stroke. We set our source as a camera. Infill 0 offset. No, we don't want infill. Outer stroke. Make it big as you want. Put it out as far as you want. I start mine like at 1 or 2. So the next thing that we do is we put a filter on the stroke. So what I do is using composite blur filter, which is made by Finite Singularity. Let's call it Pixel. There are a bunch of different blurs that you can use. We're using Pixelate. I use 10 pixels because it gives a nice big effect. You know, it looks decent enough. Actually, I think I probably have it a little bit bigger on here. So let's go with 15. Anyway, so yeah, we've got 10 pixels. Now, if you want, we can add a background source or an effect mask. You know, if you want something different, you don't have to. You can crop it down specifically if you want, based on. Let me move over here. And if you look at the pixelization here, take that off. Now you can see the pixelization moving up and down in the line here. We don't need to do that. So let's take the effect mask off. So I have a gradient on mine, and that's why the colors are changing. I have a gradient source that is the background source for compositing. So we can do that if we want. So the next part of it is we need to go to our audio input, or whatever audio you want to use. You can use music for this if you want. So like you can hear my music going. Let's do that. So audio, if you have StreamUp, you're going to have the Move plugin made by Exceldro, and you're going to want to use Audio Move. So we put that in, choose how you want it to go. Action transform. We're going to use a setting. The source is going to be stroke. The filter is pixel filter. You don't actually have to set a filter. Probably better if you don't. So like this. This looks really cool. This looks really cool with the pixel size going. Oh wow, I like that a lot actually. Exceldro. Let me give Captain a quick shout out here. So let's change it here. Stroke. All right. So I want to, one thing that needs to be fixed. Well, you could probably do this. All right. So setting, stroke size, I use offset. So the base value here, 0. Factor, I set it up high. And so now it's going with the sound from my desktop. So I could turn it up and down. If I mute it all the way on here, nothing. Almost nothing. Picking up something. Oh, I think I still have the filter on here. That might be fighting it. So you could add that filter to any of your audio sources that you want to. If you want to go with your vocals, same thing, audio move, name it whatever works for you. Action setting, source, stroke, setting, offset, base value, whatever. I do a pretty high factor there. You can change the amount of easing if you want it to look a little bit smoother as it goes. Okay, let me move the settings out of the way. Oh, no problem, Captain. Thank you for being here. I know you're on hiatus for now, but I'm still going to support the shit out of you while I can, or any chance I can, because you've done the same for me. So Ebenev, did that help? And if you want, we can make well, I'm planning on making a video. I've said that for like the past 3 or 4 months, or ever since I've been using it. But yeah, I want to make a YouTube video for it. Also, YouTube chat, thank you. Terms of service say that I can't acknowledge or show YouTube chat on my stream, but I see you there. I see you, and you said that's nice, and I appreciate that. That means a lot. If you want, I'm not saying you have to. I'm still going to be watching the chat on the other side there. But if you want, feel free to hop over on Twitch and join us there. We've got some really cool redeems and stuff. All right, so let's close this without breaking my everything. Ooh, yeah, look, it's breaking. Things better not. Okay. Close without dying, please. And just so you know, if it does die, I will be back. Just like seconds. Just give me... Just give me the chance to come back. That's all I ask. There it goes. Yeah, Stream Up, I mean, it just installs everything so easily. It's a one and done. The thing that I really love about it, well, one of many things that I really love about it is, that's incorrect, is that it will do, check for OBS plugin updates. And if you have any that are out of date, it'll tell you. And you can just download them immediately, add them in. It's really simple to upload or update your OBS plugins. It's basically paste over what used to be there, and it's just simple like that. So it makes it even easier because like new plugins coming out, like the ones that Finite Singularity does, the stroke filter, the composite blur filter, all the stuff that he's doing, he's updating it regularly. So, you know, every couple days we could have a new minor version or a new patch version coming out, and it will tell you, hey, there's been changes, stability added. You're going to want to fix this. You're going to want to update as soon as you can, and you could just do it. Okay, so with this, the hell? So Andy makes most of his income through this with Ko-fi and Patreon. And if you do support him on Patreon, then you get access to all kinds of shit here. It also runs heavily on StreamerBot if you're doing a lot of customization. Oh, don't forget to lock your door. You need to make sure that you're safe in there. Also, welcome back in the secret chat. The chat who shall not be named. But Andy has a lot of subscription, or a lot of stuff on Ko-fi and Patreon, and he prices his stuff high on purpose. So like if you look at products here, Final Fantasy VII Words. Let's look at that. We're just going to take us Ko-fi. £7.77, or £7.77, however you say it. That's just for one plugin. It's a really cool one, but if you go to Andy's Patreon, his tiers I'm at tier 2, which is $7 a month. I don't know the US to metric conversion, but I get everything for $7 a month, as opposed to one thing for £7.77. So the StreamUp itself, free. You could download StreamUp without anything. If you want to add on, different plugins and shit, just support Andy, and then the stuff's free on the Discord. You could just download it. I'm gonna send clips of me shilling for him. And I'm gonna like spam his next stream with clips of me shilling for him and be like, Andy, where's my cut, dude? Because he's not paying me. He should. He should be cutting me in on this. Thought we had a deal. I'm kidding. Yeah, and that's the exact reason that he does it, because he prices everything up really high so that people are more likely to do the monthly for a lower price and get a lot more shit. Also, secret chat. Well, I appreciate you being here, White. If you want, it's not required. But feel free to join us over on the Twitch side. I've got a lot of cool redeems and stuff that we're working on here. My ads are starting up, so I'm going to take a quick break. I will be back shortly. Hope you all stick around. I'm getting ready to make something really cool with Godot using Twitch. So we're going to dive into that as soon as I get back. Also, Pigorley, hey. Did I do? No. Oh, geez, what the hell? Yes, Copilot. You know what? Who am I to argue? If e bits equals 69. It even says nice right off the bat. The Copilot puts it in nice. Yeah. Copilot is 12 years old. Why I'm doing DK. Okay, there are several problems here, but oh, you found it? Oh, God damn. You got me. You got me. I knew I should have hovered. Would it even give me... Yeah. You got me. Okay. Congratulations. Who are we gonna raid now? I'm watching you, Faffin. Now let's see what happens when I add this. I love that one. That is a redeem. Okay, I'm gonna move this over, move this over.
This is a test message.
Oh no, it's not doing it. This will happen with music playing behind it, and the chat bubble is going to I was thinking about getting like a little jitter going, but
Is in your ear. It just doesn't work. Yes, I'm auto-tuned. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check out the clip once, or clip it and check this out.
okay, I'm back. Pigorly, my question to you is nothing bad yet until you really make me angry. I have a window here. Okay. I have just a node and a window. Now I'm expecting, I've got a window, I got a title, I got initial position, blah, blah, blah. It's visible. Let's turn that off. I'm expecting it to pop up when I start. It's not. Oh, wait. No, that didn't do it. Yeah, it's not showing up here. Wait, no, I know what's going on. Damn it. I thought I changed this over. Project settings. I did, but it didn't save. I think Godot crashed. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, let's see. Instantiate robot. There we go. Okay, that's what I was wanting to do. Never mind, you're not needed. You went upstairs and kicked your kids out. Well, in that case, you're welcome. You should be saying thank you. Okay, Robot 2. Let's go to animation tracks here. I'm going to zoom out here. Robot idle. I'm going to hide those. Okay, and then after the turn, we're going to do that. Delete that keyframe. Gonna head right here. Let's go back to that one. Now let's play this and see if it works as I hope. Oh, damn. Did not. Okay, now let's see. Sweet. Sweet. Did you see that? That looks fucking amazing. Although we need the text to be a little bit cleaner. So let's go back here. How do I do that? What do I need to do to improve the text there? Because it looks horrible. Oh, hold on. I made a little change to it there. All right, let me... Too many damn windows. Ah. Yeah, put it in a system font. Just for the sake of... getting things to work. Now, let me go into my... projects here. Yeah, outline isn't even... Well, let's change this font back. Ooh, interesting. So let me take everything back to what it was before. Well, hello there. All right, let's see if that made any difference. Not quite. I did see something here on the font. Here, let's take it back some more. Okay, under GUI control. What exactly does this do? Hmm. Oh, that looks a lot better. Now let's just try this really quick because of not having it. Okay. I think that looks better. Chat, what do you think? Am I just imagining things? Okay. Okay, not quite. It's still not feeling quite right. There. I think that looks much better. Let's just take a quick look here. No, it doesn't. Okay, let's see here. So how's that look? Is that better? I think it is. I can't really tell. Let's see. Remote node. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. So, chat, what do you think? Is that better, worse, same? Not the same. Horrible. What do we got? I think for the time being, that is a good start. Although I'm gonna keep fiddling with it until I go blind. I mean, what are we talking about? Hmm. Okay. So we've got that. I think that'll work. Okay, so now what we need. I've got music that plays on a sub. However, it's not the greatest. And it's not something I have control over. So if it's broken, this thing is just going to look like shit. So what do we need? We need... What is that? Was it wave? Form? Yeah, waveform. Okay, let's do a quick pause on Pretzel and see what we're dealing with here. Hey, in the YouTube chat, I don't know what you're saying. I apologize. All I can see there is game, so my apologies. What do we have here for drums? It's virtual. I wonder, does this mean what I think it means? Let's see if I can do some. Need 1/32, 16th. 16th notes are good. Okay, so what is this considered then? Is this... Okay, so I can insert MIDI clip here. That does not seem to be what I want. That looks nothing like this thing here, does it? What do we have here? What is this? Ah, step clip. So let's... Is this... You think this is worth it? Got kick. Oh, this is just one bar. That's gonna be like da 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 da. Where the hell is the... What's this? That kick sounds weak as all hell. It's like not even coming through. Or is it just because of something that I did here? Okay, so we're getting some volume somewhere down the line. Jeez, this thing is so freaking hard to... Okay, so what am I missing here? What don't I know how to do? Don't answer that. That's going to be too easy. Something is changing here. Okay, I got it. At least I think I do. Virtual. Let's go back at the beginning here and watch what happens. Okay. The frequency is slowly going down here. I am not, I think it's a DAW. Yeah, I'm not familiar with them. It's waveform free. It's what was recommended. I play wind instruments and a little bit of keyboard. So I'm trying to learn this a bit because I want to have some music of my own on my stream. Also, thank you for hanging out. I appreciate you being here. What am I doing? Just this is not, doesn't feel intuitive to work with, really. Actually, I'm going to discard the changes. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to play Pretzel some more. Because I believe that I might have something saved on Humble Bundle that can help with this. Man, I've got a lot more things on here than I thought I did. This is, ooh, hey, look at that. Click and feel good, some hand-drawn, gooey. Man. Why am I not doing more with this shit? Look how fucking old this is. Probably not even gonna run. So let's take a look here. Here, my friends, let's take a look. What are we looking at? I don't know. Oh no, it's gonna make me reboot to use it, isn't it? It's just the way it is. All right, ads are going to start up. I'm going to step away. For a moment while this shit downloads, and I think that I'm probably going to have to black out my screen or blur it out to enter in some keys and shit. I'll be back. For those of you on the super secret chat, I'm running ads on Twitch, so I'll be back in just a couple moments. What did I do? No. Oh, geez, what the hell? One of the members of my stream team, and I'm looking at the camera like all into it right now, and I still have the time for fun. So I'm working on something. One of the members of my stream team, Maddie Two Shoes, And for those of you who don't know, I'm on the Claw. Better, and like there'd be a rock thing going on over. Running around, saving the day. Now you're getting stronger. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. Montage. Yeah, montage. Or Firebot is pulling to get the users. I'm having a hard time understanding where that is happening. I'm trying to follow it through. Oh god, I have the sense of humor of a 12-year-old. Okay, there are several problems here, but oh shit, I didn't even see that. I was thinking more the boundaries of OBS, like coming out of the screen all the way onto my face and shit. Turn DB from the rows. No. Event listeners. So it's listening for events. Here. That's what event listeners do. I'm going to mark this so that I can clip it a little bit later. What? Why are you giving me a big ass no? I put a marker there. That would be so funny. Like, get something with some like frightening animations on it. Yeah. So Stream Up Tips, or Stream Up, is an OBS plugin that allows, or it adds in pretty much everything that you're going to need. And sure, there's going to be some things later on, or you might have a couple other plugins that you want to add on. No big deal. But the majority of the stuff that you need for streaming. All right, I'm back. Downloading some of these older things that I have that I bought. Never used. And I think I'm going to have to restart my computer for these things to work, which I don't want to do right now. Audio. Hey, look at that. I got it going. Don't save. Acid. Weird. Ah, okay. All right, all right, all right. I think that I got this. Sound. Oh, cool. Look at all these things that I never used. Well, that's kind of cool. It's definitely a starter. All right. It is definitely becoming a Buck Up Friday very quickly. So, I'm gonna party animals this shit. All right, I'm shutting down the YouTube side. Friends who happen to be hanging out over on that, please join me over on Twitch. Twitch TV/JDDoesDev. That's me.